So we want to increase the pulse in the organization, and we call it the buzz for obvious reasons with the B's. It's all about increasing the buzz. And again, yesterday we spoke about doing this at home and at work. So especially today, think about who you live with. Try and increase the buzz at home with your parents, with your siblings, but also with your colleagues. It's really important to get that buzz going because we don't want to be bouncing back anymore. We want to be bouncing forward. It's a positive thing. You know, if you've got a small child and it falls down, which we all do, and hurts its knee, we pick it up, say, let's walk forward. We don't make it walk backwards. So why do we do this in the corporate world? We want you to bounce forward.